Hello investors, good early morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. This is the Morning Stir Market and Resource Rundown for Monday, December 3rd. Stocks rallied Friday to new higher post-November 7th highs, but stalled at the 1420 resistance for the second day in a row to close down one at 1414. The broad market built on post-1400 momentum and gained 9 points, over 0.5% on the week. Dow futures peaked at 13,056 to close down 10 points Friday, but above the critical 13,000 level. Support on a weekly basis sits at previous mid-month highs at 12,850, with 13,200 the end of September, beginning of November peak, the resistance above. Tech shares gained more than 40 points, nearly 1.5% on the week, to finish at 2676, down 4 points. The 2600 level is now support, with 2700 the upside to watch. Crude oil held strong with an 85-cent rally to $89 yesterday, which was Friday, in the upper end of a month-long trading range. Recent highs at $89.90 is resistance, with $85.50 the support from Wednesday. The euro currency made new weekly and month-long highs to close right at the 130 mark, up 24 Friday. The dollar index was unchanged and held the key 80 halfway support from the October 78.50 to November 81.50 rally run. Gold was a big loser last week, down another $17 Friday and $30+ on the week to $17.13. The $17.40 failed breakout area from last week will now be washed again on the upside. Silver saw heavy unwinding, down 3.5% yesterday to $33.28 after 7-week highs were posted on Thursday. So after follow-through stock buying to build on the bottom reversal higher, where did the market stand this Monday morning to start the month of December? Well, the dollar's pushed below 80 overnight, down 0.25%, and it's given the euro some strength, right now up 35 points and new month highs solidly above 130. 132 is a resistance target above to watch. Bonds are 17 ticks lower at 149.5 as the markets stabilize. Crude sits at $89 a barrel, up a dime. Breaking above the weekly resistance at $89.90 targets 95 and the yearly pivot. Gold is up $4. Right now at $17.17, as it remains range-bound, but between the $17.40 and the $1700 level below. After a big hit on Friday, silver's bounced a little bit, up 22 cents at $33.50. So as we get started on this Monday morning, the E-mini S&P is testing the 1420 resistance once again at 1419, up 4.5 points. Dow futures remain solidly above the key 13,000 level, up 39 points, and the Nasdaq futures are up 14 points with more than an hour to go before the stock market open. So to wrap up the current action on this Monday morning to begin a new month and a new week, obviously, the euro currency is up 35 points and the dollar is below 80 with bonds lower. Crude is holding 89 with gold $4 higher at $17.17 per ounce. Stock futures continue to rally to multi-week highs with the E-mini here right now at 1419. The Dow futures at the CME Group are 39 points higher at the 13,050 level. Please visit our sponsors at morningmarketstir.com for more information on commodities, futures, and options. I'll see you early Tuesday morning for the Stir in the Markets to set up your day. From the CME Group trading floor, it all comes back to commodities.